Fast food. Fast food.
Fast food is like a magician's trick, it disappears as soon as you eat it, leaving only regrets behind.
Peanut butter. Peanut butter.
Peanut butter is the USA's answer to what if we mashed peanuts into a delicious paste and put it on everything?
Democracy. Democracy.
They say in a democracy, everyone's voice counts. Except when it comes to choosing a pizza topping. Then it's every man for himself. Which one is?
Fast food. Fast food.
What is this?
Peanut butter. Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty.
The Statue of Liberty is like America's strong protector. It stands tall, welcoming immigrants with open arms and a serious look that says, "Don't mess with freedom."
Burger. Burger.
I heard scientists tried to create a burger that could solve world hunger. Turns out, they accidentally invented the most delicious distraction instead.
Skyscrapers. Skyscrapers.
Skyscrapers are like a game of architectural Jenga. They reach for the sky and make you question if architects have a fear of heights.
Jazz. Jazz.
Jazz is the heartbeat of America. It's like a musical language that can make even the grumpiest politician tap their feet. What is this?
Democracy.
Which one is?
Burger. Burger. Tornado. Tornado.
Tornadoes in the USA are like swirling dervishes that can turn your backyard into a game of where did my trampoline go?
Basketball. Basketball.
Basketball is like a gravity-defying dance party where the ball becomes the star.
Baseball. Baseball.
Baseball is America's way of saying, let's hit things with sticks and run in circles. It'll be fun. What is this?
Basketball.
Which one is?
Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty. Eagle. Eagle.
The eagle, the national bird of the USA, is so patriotic it probably salutes the flag while soaring through the sky.
Apple pie. Apple pie.
Apple pie is like America's way of saying, hey, we took the fruit and turned it into a dessert. Because we can.
Cola. Cola.
Cola is the USA's fizzy liquid courage. It's like a bubbly superhero saving you from thirst, one sip at a time.
Blockbuster. Blockbuster.
Blockbuster was like a magical land where you could rent movies and ignore your overdue fees until reality came crashing down. What is this?
Eagle.
Which one is?
Cola. Cola. Red carpet. Red carpet.
The red carpet is like a glamorous catwalk for celebrities, except they wear their hopes and dreams instead of designer clothes.
Casino. Casino.
In the USA, casinos are like adult playgrounds. Just remember to bring your lucky socks and a strong sense of self-control.
Rock and roll. Rock and roll.
Rock and roll is like a rebellious teenager that refuses to listen to authority but knows how to make a great party. What is this?
Red carpet.
Where is?
Casino. Casino. Jeans. Jeans.
Americans love their jeans so much that they practically invented the casual Friday dress code. Who needs formal pants when you can have denim comfort?
Hot dog. Hot dog.
In the USA, hot dogs are like culinary chameleons. Depending on how many toppings you pile on, they can be a simple street food or a gourmet delicacy.
Donuts. Donuts.
Donuts in the USA are like fluffy, sugary clouds of happiness. They can turn any morning into a sweet celebration.